Hello! Dumating na nga pala yung order ko sa Amazon na hair straightening. I miss hair rebonding in the Philippines, but here it's kinda expensive to have somebody do the service for you. So today, I am going to straighten my hair. My own hair.
7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind.
To begin, here's what I'm going to use. And here's what's inside in this hair straightening kit.
He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. So it feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
So according to this instruction, number 3, after 15 minutes na nakababad yung buhok mo, you're going to blow dry and then after that iron your hair. But I decided not to do it or not to follow the instruction. So I let it set for 13 minutes and then rinse it with shampoo and conditioner. Kasi parang mas madali yung ganun. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I already rinsed my hair. Thank God, because I really hate the smell of this mask. Ang baho niya. It's very, very matapang. Also, the conditioner, hindi siya ganun kabanguhan. But the shampoo, yeah, it smells really good. So I'm gonna blow dry this now, and then later, I'm gonna iron my hair. And then let's see the result. Also, keep in mind, before I forgot, that nabasa ko dati sa magazine, what's good for your hair is not good for your skin. So that's why I put a tissue around my neck. Kasi pagka nadantian ng chemical, yung skin mo, it gets irritated. That's what happened to my skin. You know. So if it's very sensitive to the skin, what's more pa sa eyes, if it gets into your eyes. So if that's happened, you know what to do. Rinse your eyes with uncontaminated water. Okay. Malaki na kayo, alam niyo na gagawin. So, it's time to blow dry my hair.